So we know, guys, that Bitcoin is about to have a massive bull run. We know, guys, the entire crypto market is, in fact, about to enter Q4 and it's about to enter a massive rally up to the upside. A massive bull run is coming, guys. And I know for the past few weeks, even for the past few months, I've been telling guys to truly prepare yourselves for this bull run that is coming up very, very soon. But understand, guys, we're literally at the home stretch right now. The bull run is literally right around the corner. We don't have a lot of time left. Okay, before we see Bitcoin having a run up, same with Ethereum, same with Solana and Chainlink, and many more other altcoins in the crypto market. Understand that, guys. Time is ticking. And I told you guys many, many times, right? Once we actually get through this month of September, okay, and we enter the new month of October, okay, and November and December, we will see Bitcoin skyrocketing, reaching new highs. Okay, same with pretty much the entire crypto market. Understand that, guys. So we don't have a lot of time left, okay, to really buy Bitcoin at this low price. Same with these other altcoins. Okay, so time is ticking, guys. This is literally a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy dirt cheap crypto coins. Okay, it really, really is before we see a massive run up. Okay, so in today's video, I do want to give you guys an update. What is exactly happening right now with, of course, Bitcoin? And as usual, there is a fair few Bitcoin charts that I do want to show you guys for today's video that, it's going to be indicating and showing us that Bitcoin is truly, ready for, a massive bull run. It's coming up, guys. It's preparing itself. So I hope you guys are, in fact, prepared for it because it's going to be a big one. Honestly, it's going to be the biggest one out of Bitcoin history. Okay. And I hope you guys are prepared for it because it's going to happen very, very soon. Okay, so let me just show you guys what is exactly happening right now with, of course, Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin right now today. Okay, nothing too crazy. Okay, we saw Bitcoin about 2 days ago pumping up to the upside. Okay, above $63,000, and at one point actually went all the way up over $64,000. It went as high as 64K, right? You can clearly see that, and that was 2 days ago. Okay, and ever since then, Bitcoin has been pretty much holding at this 63K level, right? So we are in fact in the 1 hour time frame, and you guys can clearly see ever since we had Bitcoin running up to the upside, Bitcoin right now has pretty much just been consolidating, okay, at $63,000. So that is exactly what Bitcoin is doing today, okay, still holding strong, 63,200 today, right? Ethereum, on the other hand, is actually pumping now at $2,600. Yesterday we saw Ethereum at about 2.5. Today's at $2,600. So that's absolutely, amazing to see for Ethereum. It seems like Ethereum is pumping today, making a move, whereas Bitcoin is not, right? You can clearly see that. Solana today is still not really making a move, still holding very, very strong at this current level, which it is at right now. So Solana is still holding pretty well. Same with Chainlink, right? So a lot of alts today. Okay. Yasin's clearly see we are, seeing some greens for alts. Okay. Ethereum up 2%. Same with BNB. Okay, Solana's up over 1%. XRP 3.6%. Dogecoin, okay, looking pretty good right now for Dogecoin, over 4%, right? Cardano 1%. Okay, Sheep 5%. Okay, seems like a fair few memes are pumping today. Okay, Chainlink slightly moving. Okay, not huge movements right now for Chainlink, right? Still holding very, very strong though. But yeah, we are in fact seeing a fair few greens for altcoins up like what 2%, 3%, even over 4% right today. So altcoins are looking pretty good today. Overall, the market today is up 0.75%. So nothing too crazy, right? But everything is still holding very, very steadily. Okay, now I want to get into these Bitcoin charts, starting off with this one. And I told you guys many, many times that it seems like history is repeating itself, right? So you can clearly see from this Bitcoin chart that every single time, okay, we enter a Bitcoin halving event, and right after, okay, a Bitcoin halving event, we do in fact see a bull run occur. Okay, it does happen every single time right after a Bitcoin halving event. So we know, guys, a couple months back, okay, back in April, okay, April 20th to be exact, this year in 2024, we did in fact see our fourth Bitcoin halving event, okay, And yeah, ever since then, we haven't really seen huge movements for Bitcoin. But understand, guys, very, very soon we will see a massive move. Understand, if you guys look very, very carefully at our first halving, even our second halving and our third halving, yeah, we did in fact see a massive bull run, okay, happening and occurring for Bitcoin. But understand, it didn't happen straight away. It takes time, guys. It takes a few months' time before we actually see a run up. So understand, time is ticking very, very soon. It's been already, a few months now, like what, over 5 months now, ever since we had, the Bitcoin halving of it for this year in 2024. So very, very soon we will in fact see Bitcoin having a run up. Understand that, guys. We just have to get through this month of September. Once we actually enter Q4, right, it's going to be an amazing time for Bitcoin and crypto. And we know, guys, October is one of the most bullish times for Bitcoin, right? So understand, guys, okay, like I told you guys, October is in fact going to be an amazing month for Bitcoin and crypto, especially Bitcoin, right? So October during bull markets, you guys can clearly see what Bitcoin did just last year. Okay, October of 2023, right to January 2024, we did in fact see this massive run up, this beautiful uptrend, right? You guys can clearly see that. Like Bitcoin was already in an uptrend, but it just went even higher. Okay, the uptrend, okay, did not stop. It's going to continue up to the upside. And that is exactly what we will in fact see for Bitcoin in the next upcoming few weeks, right? We're going to see Bitcoin, okay, breaking out of this consolidation phase, because we know Bitcoin has in fact been consolidating, right? It reached a new high actually of above $73,000. And ever since then, it's just been in this consolidation phase. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. But I told you guys many times, once we actually see Bitcoin breaking this resistance line, okay, once we actually see a breakout from this consolidation phase, it's going to go higher. Okay, and you guys can clearly see from this chart, right, October 2024 to January 2025, we will see Bitcoin at least $90,000 to even $100,000. I told you guys many, many times that a 100K Bitcoin is coming. I still personally believe that Bitcoin has, the potential. It's still on track to reaching at least $100,000 towards the end of this year in 2024. I really do believe in that, guys, that Bitcoin can do that. And then if it doesn't happen December this year in 2024, towards the end of this year in 2024, that's going to happen early next year in 2025. Just like what this chart is in fact showing us here, right? So guys, get ready for a 100K Bitcoin because it is coming, okay? So speaking about Q4, the biggest gains on Bitcoin are always realized in Q4. So you guys can clearly see usually Q4 is in fact a very, very bullish time for Bitcoin, right? You guys can clearly see that. And you guys can clearly see, according to history, if Bitcoin closes in the green in September, Q4 will be up only. So you guys can clearly see, usually September, okay, and as I told you guys many times, that usually September is a very, very bearish time for Bitcoin, for crypto, right? Even for the stock market, right? Like just in general, historically, September is a very, very bearish time for the markets. Okay, usually September is one of the most bearish times for the markets. Okay, it really, really is. But you guys can clearly see we had a fair few years. Okay, only 4 years so far that we have seen Bitcoin, okay, in the greens in the month of September, right? We saw it back in 2015 and 2016, even in last year, just 2023, right? And you guys can clearly see when we actually saw Bitcoin end off the month in September in the greens, okay, the next remaining 3 months for that year were in fact in the greens, right? You guys can clearly see that. So will history repeat itself for this time around, for this year in 2024? I mean, we still have, guys, right? We still have like just over a week left into this month. Okay, just over a week left into this month. We have about 8 days left, so a week and a day left, so 8 days, right, left into this month. And yeah, so far Bitcoin is in fact in the greens, but will we end off, okay, this month in the greens? Because we still have 8 days remaining. Who knows, guys, right? We will see. Time will tell. But if Bitcoin does end off the month, this month, September, in the greens, will history repeat itself? Will October be in the greens? Will November be in the greens? Will December be in the greens? We will have to see. Let's see if history will repeat itself, because it seems like, right, every single time we see Bitcoin ending off the month in September in the greens, usually Q4, Okay, October, November, and December will all be green months. 3 straight months. So we will see about that, guys. Okay, let's see if history will repeat itself, and we will see if Bitcoin will end of this month in the greens. Okay, so very important right there. But here's another chart that I do want to show you guys, and this is very, very interesting, and this just shows you guys that time is ticking for Bitcoin right now. Okay, as I told you guys at the beginning of this video, we don't have a lot of time left to buy Bitcoin at $63,000, below $70,000, even below $100,000, because we know Bitcoin soon enough is going to be reaching over 100K. So you guys can clearly see, if history repeats, the next Bitcoin bull market will start in 6 days. 6 days, guys. Okay, so we don't have a lot of time left. You guys can clearly see back in 2020 and 2021, okay, Bitcoin, right? We had the halving, and then for 161 days, Bitcoin was pretty much consolidating. We didn't see huge moves happening for Bitcoin. This was pretty much, I want to call the boring zone for 161 days, okay? That's what happened back in 2020, right? Late of 2020. And you guys can clearly see what's happening right now for 2024 is pretty similar. We had the halving, and for 155 days now, Bitcoin has not been moving, right? We know that. So will history repeat itself? What we saw back in 2020, right after the Bitcoin halving of 461 days, Bitcoin was in fact consolidating, right? But then right after that, it pumped, right? You guys can clearly see that. Will we see the exact same thing? Okay, so we will see, guys. Okay, 6 days till we get to 161 days. We will see, but maybe this time will be around. I don't think it will be exactly 161 days before we see a run up. Who knows? But understand, guys, in the next, I want to say less than a month left, I truly do believe that we could potentially see Bitcoin, okay, pumping back up to at least above $70,000 at least. Okay, so get ready for that, you guys. Okay, because a massive bull run is coming, and we know, guys, throughout 2025 will be an amazing year for Bitcoin and crypto. So I really want you guys to be prepared for that. Okay, so will we see, okay, the bull market start in 6 days? We will just have to see, guys, but understand time is ticking. Buy now, okay, and hold and let the gains come to you, because a bull run is coming. If you simply want to make money, you better get in now, right? Take action now. Okay, so that's that. Not financial advice, but this is the last chart that I want to show you guys. And you guys can clearly see this is coming from Mags, and this is a amazing chart. Very, very simple. So Bitcoin market stages. Number 1, first leg up. We went through that. Number 2, long consolidation, which is where we are in right now. Okay, you guys can clearly see we are obviously in a very, very strong consolidation phase right now. Okay, and number 3 is a bull run, which is next. And it says here, Bitcoin is still in stage 2. The real bull run will start once the price breaks out of this consolidation phase. And that is very, very true. As I told you guys many times, once we actually see a beautiful breakout happening for Bitcoin in this consolidation phase, once we actually see Bitcoin breaking this resistance, okay, and we see a breakout from the resistance line, right, it's going to shoot higher. It's going to obviously reach a new high, and that is when pretty much, guys, the bull run will occur and happen. So for all my Bitcoin holders out there, for all my crypto investors out there, even traders, get ready to make life-changing wealth. Okay, you will become very, very wealthy. I know a lot of new millionaires, Bitcoin millionaires, Ethereum millionaires, I don't know, new millionaires in general, crypto millionaires will be made. Okay, understand that, guys, right? More millionaires will be made in this bull run than we have seen for previous bull runs back in 2021, 2017, and 2013, right? This one that's coming up in 2025, new millionaires will be made, crypto millionaires, right? So please be prepared for that, you guys. Okay, I know a lot of you guys, okay, want to build wealth, and I hope back 2022 to 2023, even throughout this year so far in 2024, you guys have in fact been DCAing, okay, because those years would have been the most best times to really DCA, right, and to truly prepare yourselves for the 2025 bull run. Right, so that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen with Bitcoin. But Bitcoin right now still holding very, very strong at this 63K level. It's looking pretty good today. Even though we're not seeing huge movements right now for Bitcoin, but it is still holding very, very strong. So we will see what's gonna happen with Bitcoin in the next upcoming few days. I will obviously, keep you guys updated, so stay tuned for that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel. That is always appreciated. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. I feel like I've been stuck at 2K for quite some time. So if you guys have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and that is always appreciated as always. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.